a short moral story. Benny was not like the other bears in the forest. While they loved eating honey and sleeping, Benny loved asking questions. Why do the stars twinkle? Where does the river go? His friends would laugh, saying, bears don't need to know these things. One day, Benny followed a strange humming sound deep into the woods. He discovered a giant beehive hanging from a tall tree. But instead of taking the honey, he watched the bees carefully. He saw how they danced to talk to each other and how they worked together. Curious, he followed the river next. He walked for miles until he saw it meet a giant lake where fish jumped joyfully. So this is where the river goes, he exclaimed. As Benny explored, he learned about the world in ways no bear ever had. Soon, other animals came to him for answers. Benny, why do birds fly south? How do trees grow so tall? Benny smiled and shared everything he had learned. Moral: curiosity leads to knowledge, and knowledge helps us grow. Thank you for watching.